Affiliate Marketing Profit Kit solves the following common yet fatal problems hounding both newbie and veteran affiliate marketers. You will learn how to pick a niche that is most likely to earn you money, how to pick a conversion platform that will produce the most money with the least effort, how to create content your niche audience will actually want to read and share, how to select affiliate offers the smart and efficient way, how to build an affiliate marketing business that will stand the test of time and fickle consumer trends. The Affiliate Marketing Profit Kit delivers plain English instructions. You don't have to be an affiliate marketing veteran to understand and carry out its powerful and effective instructions. Actionable information. You get any theory with this profit kit. Instead, you get solid practical step-by-step instructions you can carry out right here, right now. Scalable information. You don't get a one-trick pony instruction set that works now but will be useless tomorrow. The Affiliate Marketing Profit Kit worked in the past, is working now, and will continue to work long into the future. Powerful traffic generation strategies. Most other online income blueprints or affiliate marketing guides completely leave out the most important part of affiliate marketing success: traffic. You will get powerful information you can use to both generate free traffic and handle paid traffic the right way. And much more.